Okay, so we're here. There's some monkeys. There's some monkeys there.
Let's get in that one on his own over there.
Look, that's so sweet.
I know.
Sleepy.
Oh no.
Look. Bless him. Hello. Hello, monkey. Can I have a photo? Look. Okay. So, they're so cute. Oh my god. This lady's talking to us.
So we've got 140, but there's two separate groups. So this group, they all came from one of our parks in Germany, and then the group, if you go up the hill, they came from one of our parks in France. So they don't mix. They don't each other.
They just naturally keep apart all that.
Yeah. So yeah, there's about 70 individuals each.
It's a baby. There's another one coming. There's this one. Look at this baby. This is so sweet. Look. So cute. Oh. Cuteness. Look. Hello, you.
Elise, Ella, it's coming towards you. It's coming towards you.
Hello.
Oh, look at it.
It's hiding. That's so cute. Oh. Oh, look at him playing. So cute. Oh, that's so sweet. There's a little one there. Oh.
That's Mummy, isn't it? Yeah, I noticed that, yeah.
These two are playing. That's so cute. I can zoom out. Yeah. And then he's hiding behind the tree. There's a baby. There's a baby. They're playing. There's one running. There's one on the tree. Oh, cute. I'm in love with monkeys so much. They're so cute. Look at him. Oh. These are adorable. There's one there with his back to us. He's looking at us. Hello, monkey. You can't see him on camera now, but he's there. They're playing. Oh, you can't even see him. It's too dark. You can't see him. Oh yeah, there's one on his back. There. That's so cute. That's sweet. This is the lady feeding them. It's so cute. Mum. There.
That made me jump. That was close, Lee.
You little monkey.
That's my worst nightmare.
That's so cute. Did that scare you,
Look at the
Mum?
one hanging over there, Dad.
He's hanging upside down. Look. And there's one here. There's a little baby there, but you can't see him. Yeah, you can kind of see his outline.
Look at this perfect photo. These are just last.
Trying to catch a fly. That's so sweet. Bless him. He's having a scratch. You recording? Did they get in it? They are cute though. Mum got so terrified.
One up there on the tree. There's three of them.
I was trying to tell you.
Oh, yeah.
It's raining again.
Wiggly.
Because it's raining.
Oh, loads up there.
One up there. One up this one. Those up there as well.
Oh yeah, there's one there.
There's one going up the tree there. They'll come down. They do it on purpose, real quick.
Yeah.
Circling the trees, run up the road, up just above your head. See him in the middle there.
Actually, on a cloudy day, you can
I can smell their poo.
easier than a sunny day. Yeah.
Yeah, I can smell their poo.
Yeah, they're shaking the trees.
They're jumping on them. Now.
Probably what this stage
Don't think there's a lot up here, is there?
Yeah, they said there's another loss up here, isn't there? A different, might be
Yeah.
somewhere else. We're up that tree.
Where?
Up that tree there.
Oh yeah. Huh?
I'm pleased with that one with the baby on his head. I think it's really good.
Let's have a look at it.
And just post it on Facebook.
There's another one there.
Yeah, because I know at work that I was going to come here. And so I thought I was coming here.
One's sticking up that quick with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah. A wise old monkey.
There's a few here, look. There's a few, canopy.
Yeah.
I like the lighter coloured ones, I think.
This is a different breed of monkey. I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. There's loads of them. It's going up the tree. Look at that. They're so amazing at climbing. Literally, they're insane. Okay, so you've just walked in, and there's quite a few. Look at them. There's some here too. Literally, this is right. What's about? This is the bar that we are walking across here in this monkey. Look at him. Bar monkey. And there's another one they're eating. They're so cute. And look at oh my god, can't cope.
Between them.
There is all the squirrels. Look, there's the squirrel. There's a monkey and some birds. There's a monkey there and he's got a baby behind his back. Can't see him, but he's there. There's a monkey. Mm. Do you like it, Mum? Mum, look at me. I bet you love monkeys. My mum's not keen on monkeys, guys. Look. Bar. Monkey.
Oh, look at our photos. Look on Facebook. Oh, they're good.
They're coming.
Chasing him off. Chasing him off.
Look how good that one looks.
Ooh.
They don't like him. Oh, none of them like him. No, they're not. Oh, this is going to go for him again in a minute, look. He's grooming him now.
So yeah, they were just playing a game of tag. That's it really.
Teeth? They are actually, yeah.
Yeah. It
Well-
just says it when it's
Turning up.
there's one probably shouldn't be here.
Alright, what's going on up here?
One shouldn't be in the.
So basically they're like chasing this other monkey, and like this big one here has come and he's chasing up this tree, and it scares me, like scares the out of me. But they're really cute. I like monkeys a lot, like a lot. Look at this one. He's just chilling. And then
These
there's
ones didn't really bother, did they? These side didn't react. It was the ones around here.
this one, and he's amazing. And he's like, I think there's a girl. Yeah, I think that's a boy and a girl.
She lifted up and went like that and pointed to him. Tell him we're done.
So yeah, that's that. No zoom in at all. See? Okay. Look at that.